Hey there guys, what's up? This is Kenji 23. Yes, it's been a while, folks. It's been a while. Um, recently that, I did say I was gonna make like a fan anime art whatsoever, but as soon as after I said that, I was just like, just like, felt almost overwhelmed. And I didn't let you guys know about that. So I kind of felt overwhelmed, and I just kind of like, past few days of live streaming. So I felt overwhelmed, but I will get to that someday. We'll get to that someday. You're just gonna have to bear with me and let you guys know. And as far as the live stream, I'll go back right on that, because next week it is Thanksgiving. Woo! Okay guys, so today's vlog we're gonna be planning this. Tomorrow is gonna be Super Saiyan Gamer Z's birthday. He's gonna turn 24, and I'm gonna head over to the mall with him. But I got a little tiny prank for him. It's a little tiny one. It's not gonna hurt him or anything. I'm just gonna let me start over. So basically, he wants me to be the cameraman, which I'm really good at holding cameras and whatnot. And basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pretend that I'm gonna drop his phone, which I'm not. And I'm gonna tell him that, oh my god, I just crack his phone. Oh my god, I think I cracked your screen. Which that was like fake and all. So yeah, I'm gonna pretend that I crack his screen, which I'm still gonna hold it, and I'm gonna still keep on filming on that. I'm gonna keep on filming on that, and voila. And then I'm gonna tell him that I'm gonna tell him that this is all planned out. I'm not gonna be evil on that. It's just a tiny prank that it won't hurt him. I'm not gonna break his phone. If I break it, yeah, I feel like I'm gonna have to pay for that phone. But yeah, I'm not gonna do anything to it. So yeah, that's all. Look at that. Snow. It is snowing. Wow, so it's snowing in November. Playing some city skylines with lots of mods that I have. Look at that. That's an escape button. See, look at that. And with my city skylines. On my way to the mall. Alright guys, I'm at this way. I just had to stop by real quick and then head over to the mall. Half an hour bread, eating my favorite pastry, cinnamon roll, and look what I got from Best Buy. Boom! D.Va keychain. I was filming, I think, got D.Va keychain. last time I saw was the D.Va Nendroid from Japan, and the Blizzard figure of D.Va, which I could have bought it, but I decided not to. I wanted to save up money. But I did get the Amazon gift card. Right here in my pocket. Should be able to have it, but I'll show you. Well, should be able to get it. Here's the Amazon gift cards and D.Va. I can't wait to put this on my lanyard, D.Va lanyard. Now I'm gonna do unbox clip or scene for the D.Va lanyard. So I'm gonna have to use one there. Ooh. I can peel this off. Peel it off. Alright, got it. There you have it, D.Va keychain. D.Va keychain. Introduce the D.Va bunny keychain. I'm gonna put this on my lanyard right now. Alright people, I just switched back to my PS Vita. My phone's a little dying, so we're heading to GameStop right about now. Moment of truth. GameStop, our favorite place to go. And we're walking in right about now.
Good luck, good luck.
Just leave it there.
Reach the sky, fellas.
Hey there guys, we're just eating, chilling, and I got my Sprite. It sucks that I don't have a straw. Oh, okay. Yeah, and we're gonna show you that what we got from GameStop. Yeah, that took a while. I went to the library to see another friend, and then to this house, and that's it. Well, I got Overwatch book, Chapter 7, which I wanted it thanks to Super Saiyan Gamer Z. And look at this. Chapter 7. Voila! It's a journal book, that's it. This is something that I know if I wanted to write down. You see, I'm just gonna do it as one. Look at this, look at this. See? Oh, yeah, and it's a company from Tokidoki, which is the first item from them. Look at this, and it's a journal book, too. Yes. D.Va May Tracer. Let's see. Alright, well, that wasn't really go as planned, but I'll just, I'm gonna let it slide, you know. I mean, I did want to do it, just a tiny bit, just not, you know. But I'll let it slide, and it's his birthday, so I don't really ruin it or anything. So make sure you comment down below. What do you think about his day? What do you think about these? Do you love Overwatch? Do you love Tekken 7? Do you guys enjoy this vlog? And also, don't forget to subscribe to Super Saiyan Gamer Z, either one of these videos. And link in the description. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy this. Drop a like on this video if you enjoy this vlog. And this week, which is tomorrow, or tomorrow, or yeah, tomorrow. I will upload this vlog probably today or tomorrow, but I will live stream tomorrow for Tekken 7, boy. Tekken 7. So, yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this. Once again, subscribe for more content. Subscribe to Gamer Z and comment down and say happy birthday. Hashtag happy birthday Gamer Z. And don't forget to drop a like on this video if you guys enjoyed it. Social media and this channel link in the description. And if you wanted to donate, please click down the link in the description. Streamlab, and then yeah. Alright, this is Kenji Armor 20 signing out. Have a great day. I just wanted to let you know that I was vlogging at the 16th on Friday, and I couldn't upload in the night because I was like tired, and it was getting pretty late, and I was gonna do the next day, but I was like, yeah, I'll do it some other time. But today is Wednesday, and right here, and I'm about to upload the videos. I'm gonna do some editing, then upload, and then tomorrow we got to see Tekken 7 in the live stream. Woohoo! I can't. Oh my god. Guys, I was after I unboxed Tekken 7. I played it for like how many days, and Xiaoyu is gorgeous. Oh my god, she is gorgeous, man. Oh, she is so cute. Whoa, a big change up, a big massive change up. Alright, I'm just gonna upload, and you're able to see when I'm unboxing accessories like D.Va and Overwatch Burner Book and Tekken 7. Alright, so see you guys tomorrow. This is Kenji signing out. Have a great day.